Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.33. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 9.28%. This indicates an average daily loss of 1.33% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $209.33 be breached, it would indicate an increased likelihood of a more significant decline. The current 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of 7.78% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 9.58% to an increase of 4.76%. In considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 34.96%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 32.73% and 73.10% over the upcoming year. This would suggest a future price range between $283.37 and $369.56. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock price ended at $213.49 on Friday, after gaining 1.82%. The Apple stock price gained 1.82% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, rising from $209.68 to $213.49. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.08%, with a low of $209.58 and a high of $213.94. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days, down by 11.72% during this period. Volume declined on the last day by 273,000 shares, totaling 60 million shares bought and sold for approximately $12.82 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume accompanied by higher prices may indicate divergence, serving as an early warning for possible changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 17.92% or $46.60 below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. continues to attract significant attention in the financial markets, particularly amidst its recent stock dip. Today, prominent strategist Brian Belsky highlighted Apple as the most favorable investment opportunity among the Magnificent Seven stocks during this market decline. This sentiment could encourage buying interest among investors seeking to capitalize on what they perceive as undervaluation, potentially supporting a short-term rebound in Apple's stock price. Despite some notable sell-offs this week, driven by broader market trends, Apple is maintaining a bullish outlook. Analyst Dan Ives from Wedbush Securities remains confident, predicting that Apple shares could reach all-time highs within the next 6 to 18 months. This long-term perspective suggests that investors may view the current dip as a buying opportunity, fostering sustained interest in the stock. However, concerns have arisen over delays in Apple's artificial intelligence developments, particularly regarding enhancements to Siri, which Oppenheimer's Martin Yang indicated might affect market sentiment. Nevertheless, fellow analysts at Wedbush argue these delays do not fundamentally undermine Apple's long-term growth potential, indicating confidence in the company's future. Overall, while the immediate market response may be influenced by AI-related concerns and broader selling pressure, The prevailing analyst optimism surrounding Apple could play a crucial role in driving stock performance in both the short and long term. Investors should closely monitor these developments as they could significantly impact Apple's valuation trajectory moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Apple Inc. an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple Inc. a reduce rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Apple Inc. a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned Apple Inc. a hold rating with a downgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned Apple Inc. an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.82%. Further rises are indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume declined during the last trading day despite the price increase, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term development. The Apple stock holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $223.27 and $234.52. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at 209.68, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 4.36, which represents 2.08% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.69%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing performance records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.61. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $222.64. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $209.68. If this support level remains intact, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February, 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider buy of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 25th of February, 2025, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider buy of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 25th of February, 2025, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider buy of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 25th of February, 2025, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider buy of 1,113 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 25th of February, 2025, Andrea Jung conducted an insider buy of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 24.455. Overall, insiders purchased 1,692,264 shares and sold 2,800,500 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple exhibits several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we believe its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Our assessment of this stock is negative. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 17th of March, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by $1.15, starting at $212.34. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.